Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 20 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down in order to find the system. Now let's tap on the backup option and here as you can see we've got only one option, the Google backup. So let's tap on account. Make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because as you can see after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So now let me enter the password and I have to do it out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and then tap on I agree. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so here we've got the information that your device will backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. So just tap on accept, and basically here we've got the same information, so just tap on OK. And as you can see here, we've got this section with the backup, so your device is right now waiting to backup, and for some reason we just got bugged, so no worries, just tap on the backup or not. Alright, basically to finish the backup you have to tap on this blue button backup, and from now on then your device will simply save your files, save the data on the Google account. Also for some reason I cannot enter. Oh, right now I can. As I said, the backup now, and it will be finished. What is more, I highly recommend to use this option. I mean, keep it turned on. Thanks to this, your device will really back up the data only when you will be connected with the Wi-Fi. So it will prevent some additional costs like reaching the limit of the mobile data and so on and so on. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google backup in your ZTE Axon 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.